Hey everyone, so today I'm going to be reviewing the Mini Breaker palette by Jeffree Cosmetics. This is from his Jawbreaker collection that just launched a little bit ago. So this is what the palette looks like. It's beautiful. Comes with 9 shades and retails for $28 US. There are 2 shades that overlap with the Jawbreaker palette, which is Bubblegum and Bite Me. These two also come in the Jawbreaker palette. There is a bundle where you can get both of these for a discounted price, which if you end up wanting both, I would definitely go down that route because you save around $11 US, which is what I did. I think the price point is fair for this palette. This is the most affordable Jeffree Star palette ever, and I mean, it does only come with 9 shades, but the sizes of the shadows are amazing, and the quality is there just like his other ones. He definitely didn't skimp out on ingredients or anything. It is amazing. The mattes are incredibly pigmented. The shimmers, the duochrome shade Oral is literally the best eyeshadow I've ever seen in my life. I absolutely love it. I am wearing it on my eyes today, and I can't say enough about this shadow. If you love a purple duochrome, you need this. Even if it's just for that shadow, you need it. Like, I'm not lying. This is just the most beautiful reflective duochrome shade. Like, it is just a literal beauty. I love it so much. I think that this is a palette that if you want to try Jeffree's formula, I think it's a good start because you get like more wearable shades, but then you get those purple tones, which I love, as you guys know. I definitely think that if you love purple shadows, you need this palette because it's purple, it's gorgeous, the formula is amazing. The mattes are pigmented, buttery, but they blend like a dream. I did this whole eye look with this, which I'll link down below and in the cards. This is just the most beautiful eye look I've ever done with purple shades, and they just blend beautifully. This is honestly my favorite eyeshadow formula of all time. Do I think you need both the Jawbreaker and the Mini Breaker? I think it depends on what type of person you are. If you're a makeup lover like me and you love colors, then yeah, get both. I mean, you can get the discount, and this is only like, what, like $15 US or something if you get them together. Like, it's a good price. Jawbreaker has the more like bright pastel neon tones, and Mini Breaker is more so for a purple lover or those who want something a little bit more subtle. I personally do love both, and I am going to use both. I think that the bundle deal is a great little discount, and I think it depends on what type of person you are. Like I said, like if you love color and you don't really care much about purple, just get Jawbreaker. But if you like purple, I would highly recommend Mini Breaker since both the shades in here are purple. The shades that aren't are still pigmented, and the shade Orange Crush is a very pretty matte with like glitter in it, and usually no one really cares for those shades because the glitter doesn't really do anything. But as you guys can see, there is glitter in it. This also swatches beautifully, but it applies beautifully to the eyes as well. If you guys have any questions about the palette, just comment them down below. Please also leave eyeshadow ideas for this because I will do a 3 looks 1 palette video using this very soon. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye. I definitely think that if you're a purple